Saving money effectively involves a few key strategies that can help you build a solid foundation, a solid financial foundation. Here's how to do it correctly. Number one, set clear goals. Define specific short-term and long-term savings goals, such as building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or preparing for retirement. Prepare now for retirement. Having clear objectives makes it easier to stay motivated. Number two, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Allocate funds for savings each month and stick to your budget. Number three, pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a fixed expense. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account as soon as you receive your paycheck. Number four, build an emergency fund. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate account for unexpected costs, such as medical emergencies or job loss. Number five, cut unnecessary expenses. Review your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. This could include dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives. All right. Number six, take advantage of high interest accounts. Use high yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, to earn more on your savings. Number seven, review and adjust regularly. Periodically review your budget and savings goals to ensure that you're on track. Adjust as necessary based on changes in income or expenses. By implementing these strategies, you can save money effectively and work towards achieving your financial goals. All right?